the thing that we're about to see today, this is like a full-scale sized operation. Pretty excited because I don't think anyone's done a video on it yet. This business is fairly new. I think it's been under probably only a couple months. They closed down for a little bit during the holiday season, but they just recently opened back up. And we're actually going to head to the other side of Florida, the West Coast, Naples. Haven't been there. Never seen the West Coast of Florida before. But yeah, this should be pretty epic. I mean, we haven't seen a Skyline operation in the United States this big since like Motor X in California, if you guys remember what that was, or what that was all about.
Okay. Ooh, your car smells good.
Did you have a good bathroom session?
Me?
On the toilet for like 30 minutes there.
Girls don't poop, that's why.
Well, it's all candy cans and fairy tales.
Montage. 3 hours later. All
right, so we just made it to Craft Square, or Craft Sports, not Craft Square. But yeah, we finally made it. How do you think that drive was?
Not bad, not bad. No, it was alright. It could have been awkwarder.
Like talking about like fences and stuff?
Okay, I would have talked about a fence or a cow.
The texture of stop signs and so. But we're here at the shop, 2-hour drive. Right outside they got a couple of R31s. And then at the very front there's a red R33. And this is only the back. This is gonna be pretty cool. I don't know if they're gonna allow like videography or photography. I'm hoping they do. I might have to film the rest of it on the cell phone, but it's okay because we have the new iPhone 12.
Flexed.
Isn't it great?
Flexed.
What phone do you have?
I have a 10.
Yeah, mine's better. But yeah, so like I said before in an older video, we got the 4 top GTR cars that were made by Nissan. These don't really count. That's the R31 GTSR. But remember, we got the 32, the R33, the R34, and then the one that's missing the clutch pedal. I'm like pretty elated to go inside this place because holy shit, Skylines everywhere.
Office entry door.
Look at this. Dude. Like as far as the eyeball can see until the wall. Like we got these rare ass wheels everywhere. We got Volks, we got LMs, we got Tommy Kyra. Wait. Dude. I don't think I've ever seen a Tommy Kyra car before in person. See, all the cars are pretty much monochromatic colors, like black, dark purple, blue, gray. This though, this stood out to me a little bit. Like I love the FD and everything, but I'm not entirely too sure. But I'm gonna assume that these are pretty rare wheels. Mazda Speed, something. Chime in if you know what these wheels are. I don't. It's parked over here by this S14, the Nismo 270R. Wait, that's a real 270R? White SSRs. Sweet Christ, dude. 56 Gs. Let's get a montage of some of these cars rolling really quick.
If you only knew what I know, or been the place that I go. Norway, I'm in Oslo, my eyes low. Stockholm, I'm in Sweden. Globally exercising demons, nobody could defeat them. And the meaning goes beyond my teachings. If they wanna be where I am, tell them make this fire, man. Fake rappers hung out the dry fam. You ain't never known me to lie, and why would I? That's false prophecy. Go get from my property. Fans breaking my properly. Ideology, Socrates, no force alive is stopping me. No false gods to the top of me. Top Olympus, the highest peak. From a numeral 1, I is me. Size he so high in me. Rule everything I ought to be. Part of the good fight, that odyssey. Definitive, no probablys. Call Kev, we about to shamelessly ball out. Take over the world after nuclear fallout. Enterprise incentive to win. With no losses, it's a setup like that. 4 and 2 hands crosses. Call Kev, we about to shamelessly ball out. Take over the world after nuclear fallout. Enterprise incentive to win. With no losses. losses. It's a setup like that ball when two head crosses. If they wanna travel like I do, study poetry like haikus, electrify like Raichu, put aside your pride too, I slide through, run the game, hit like Mack trucks and crash trains. We just aren't built the same. I'm outlasting in the game and fame. You can have it all, just wanna cash and have a ball. Travel the world before it falls, stand on the world, oh so tall I can oversee everything in my sight. Currency, say y'all catch feelings, we just catch flights. Never heard words so right and true. Giants towering over you. Bumby told me what to do. Sick like we caught the flu. Dropped the antidote in the stew. Atop the mountain, the bonsai grew. Sipping ginseng muddle brew. Ace high, one of few. Call Kev, we about to shamelessly ball out. Take over the world after nuclear fallout. Enterprise incentive to win with no losses. It's a setup like that ball when two heads crosses. Call Kev, we about to shamelessly ball out. Take over the world after nuclear fallout. Enterprise incentive to win with no.
I like how some of these cars actually have like those little clubs on the steering wheel. Remember that tech from like back in the 90s?
My car's like not as
It's an
yellow.
eye catcher. What car do you have now?
I have an IS 300.
You know what these wheels cost?
A lot.
Try to guess.
10,000.
They're like 6.5K like online.
Jeez.
Yeah. This is the rare bird right here.
Yeah, one of 30.
270R. This is nuts. I thought the car was a myth. Yeah, the Legend itself.
They drove this one too. I think it had like 220,000 kilometers.
They got some use out of it.
Oh yeah. Right now, it's that midnight purple 33 B spec
No, it
against
was
the wall.
like
Okay,
Yeah,
I
that one's a
figured,
95.
I figured it'd be the 9. Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
expensive.
I didn't see
The
that.
other midnight purple one's only like 60, I think. That one's not bad.
It's so pretty.
Even trade.
This guy right here, right?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's like a brand new car.
Even with the gold emblems.
Yep.
So this is the current record breaker at Craft Sports.
Yeah, you don't see these in this condition.
It's real midnight purple too, right? Like.
Yep, yeah, so
wasn't-
actually, this midnight purple is different than the midnight purples on the R34s. The
Yeah.
R34s, it's sort of like a color changing type thing, a little bit
Yeah,
of like
yeah.
an orange.
It's like Brickyard.
Yeah. I don't know if you heard me before, we're actually getting one of those over here soon.
Oh,
As
you
like
are?
a showroom piece. Yeah, midnight purple 34 V spec.
Oh wow.
So yeah, that'll be really cool to have.
That's on the way here already?
I'm not sure when it's coming. I don't think it's on the way here yet.
Oh.
They want to make sure everything's in order, make sure it doesn't get held up at customs or anything, because it'll
Right.
be a show and display.
Yeah.
So they just want to make sure all that's sorted out.
So you can drive. You can take it to like shows and everything like once a year.
Yeah, yep.
Is it a Supra?
These are the only two Supras right now that they have. Everything else, obviously, Chevrolet Impalas.
Oh, that's different.
You guys ever seen an indoor louver before?
Like usually they're outside, but that's big.
What is it? So you guys don't really focus on Silvios or anything?
Yeah, they specialize in GTRs.
Okay.
So a lot of 32s, just because those are all legal now.
Yeah.
The 33s are just starting to become legal. So as time goes on, we'll be getting more and more 33s.
All right.
They have a bunch of 34s over in Japan.
Yeah, but you guys can't really. It's not worth to touch some of those, right? Cause
Oh yeah, yeah. None of those are coming over here yet.
Right. 2025. Mark your calendars, kids.
No.
Oh yeah.
34s are hard though, man. They only made like 12,000 of those things.
Yeah,
the
no,
GTRs.
they did not make a lot of.
So
them.
they're even rare in Japan.
Yeah, each generation made like they made a bunch of the R32s. I think it was like around 40,000, and then the 33s was less, and the 34s even less than that.
Right. This is probably the place you want to stop by and take a look at, because, I mean, come on, dude. Seriously?
Which, alright, I don't know. Wait. What? No one saw that.
Jesus Christ, dude. I think out of all, which one is your favorite R30? Like, if you could pick two cars out of here, which one do you think is the best?
This one.
33 GTR.
The midnight purple one.
That's 2. Okay. If I had to pick a top 5, number 1, unfortunately, wouldn't even be a Skyline. I think it would have to be that 270R, because I thought that thing was a myth. Number 2, like what Claire said, that midnight purple R33, which is the most expensive car right now on the showroom. 3, the silver NSX with the red interior. The one small teeny weird thing about the car though isn't the fact that the interior is redone. The little stick in the center.
Pretty man. It has carbon fiber.
It's got carbon fiber. That's cool, I guess. Fourth car would be another not Skyline. The blue Supra. If I got this car, I would call it Mr. Meeseeks.
So which one would you buy right now? Cash.
Cash, if I had the money?
You got it right now.
It would have to be one of the 33s. I guess, yeah, that midnight purple that's like 95 grand would have to be that one. What's the sticker say for the 270R? I can't believe this thing is real. This is so crazy.
I want to touch it, but I don't.
Nissan Silvia 270R, 55 grand for a 240, or for an S14. If you do book a flight to Florida or something, stop by Naples. Pick one car that you dislike out of here. Like which car is like you just like one that you're just not feeling.
The one with like
the red,
the thingy inside of it.
Oh, the interior louver.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
I don't really understand. Oh, Joey's calling me. Hello. What up? So we're here at the Skyline dealership, right? And the dude's like, the sales manager guy's like, yeah, I have an Evo 10. I'm like, oh, okay, sick. And I'm like, do you happen to watch Joey 400? And he's like, the cop guy? And I'm like, yeah. He said, yeah, I'll talk to him. I actually follow his channel and stuff. I like his stuff.
Look at that. I'm already famous. I mean, this is why I make 89 cents a month. This is why I make 89 cents.
Dude, this is so funny because I'm in the Skyline. There wasn't a Mitsubishi here in Naples at all for like 300 miles.
Well, everyone knows the Evo is better than the Skyline, so, dude. I mean, there's facts.
So, Joey 400, actually, in a big plot twist in this entire video, he ended up actually, the manager dude ended up being a fan of his, because why not, right?
That's it. He wants a signature for 14 cents.
This doesn't make sense.
Well, okay, so Tommy Kyra is like a, I don't know how to put it. It's like a Saline, right? You know what Saline is?
Kinda, yeah.
So yeah, Tommy Kyra, that's like the easiest way I can put it. So they make specialty Nissans and all that, and then they sell them. It has the logo and everything and the wheels, but I don't think it's an actual real Tommy Kyra car.
Okay.
Because according to the sticker, like, come here, look.
It's still mint.
Yeah, so it's regular GTR, but it has, you know, Tommy Kyra accessories. It's like people with 350Zs that put Nismo on their cars, but they're not real Nismos. That car, the white 32 GTR, is a real Tommy Kyra.
Like, you see how, like, I don't know, it just looks so different.
Yeah, well, you know, it's got the eyeshadow and the makeup, makes it stand out. Oh, it's got this black bar.
Yeah, that was another thing. I was like, I like it.
You trade in the Lexus, you got this. So we pretty much overdid our stay here. We spent a nice solid hour. We got here, we left Palm Beach at like 2 o'clock. We thought we'd get here at 4 something. We got here like 4:15. That's when we thought the store closed at 5. Luckily, I guess they extended for another hour. They closed at 6, so we were able to get a little bit of extra time here. You guys can check out the website, Craft Sports. I keep saying Craft Square, like an idiot. Craft Sports, just Google that, Craft Sports Naples, Florida. Don't go to the one in Japan because obviously, unless you feel like importing a car directly from them, you're gonna wait a little bit longer. But if you are in the United States, Craft Sports Naples, Florida is the place you wanna be. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like. If you guys disliked this video, give it a thumbs down. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Anything to say?
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Gang signs?
Yeah.
It's pretty lit. Bam. It's Club Sushi. You know how to use these?
Nope.
All right.
Not at all. I'll pretend I did though.
Do it. Check me out. See that? You know what? If all else fails, just stab the thing, and then you can dip it in the thing.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Christ. Try to grab this orange for me.
I'm so sorry. I can't.
Listen, you don't have to apologize. Let's just try to.
I'm sorry for the orange.
Let's just try to take Asian culture a little more seriously here.
Okay.
You're dressed like freaking Nico Bellic from Grand Theft Auto 4.
Thank you. All right. See?
Oh my God, the disrespect.
I'm so sorry.